What's going on? What's going on? It's your boy Ty. Yo, so let's talk about consistency, right? And the power of staying consistent, being consistent, and what that even means. So you could be consistent, right? You could be a consistent loser. You could be a consistent winner. So when you like to be a consistent winner, so to develop that skill, what you're gonna need to do is be comfortable with taking the small wins. I know that shit sucks. Like nobody wants to get in Forex and make $20, $30 starting off. Nobody wants to make, you know what I'm saying, have $100 day starting off when you see people making thousands of dollars, millions of dollars. You know what I mean? It just technically it's kind of hard for you to see yourself, you know, you feel like, oh, I'm only getting the small fruits off the tree. But you gotta look at it like this. You got to be appreciative for those small fruits out of the tree. So let's take Forex and then put it into like a profession, right? And make it professional for you so you can go ahead and get out of your own way so you can succeed. So what it is that you need, right, is you need to have a game plan. Consistency could start small. You can be like, all right, my goal is to take care of my cell phone bill. Boom, $200. That's the goal. All we're doing is working from that. So consistently, if you made $10 a day, it'd take you 20 days literally to make $200. Obviously, you know, those are small numbers, but at the end of the day, it's just the power of, you know, you put a bill there, you put a goal there, and then you went and got that shit. You took care of that. You know what I'm saying? So that's how the consistency could start. Really, what you want to do is you want to do like little things around your life and little things, you know, outside of Forex that will go ahead and enable your Forex career to really take off. Because how you do one thing is how you do everything. You think that you're going to be inconsistent, you know, in your other livelihood, and then come over here and be extremely consistent. It just doesn't work out like that. So, you know, success and the law of success is kind of like, it's a full circle thing. We'll use like a basketball player. Like they got the gym regimen, you know, the diet, you gotta watch what you eat, you know what I'm saying? The practice. So it's a lot that's going in to the overall performance. Same thing with this Forex shit. It's a lot that's going in to this overall performance. Now, there are some people who are fat, old, and lazy. You know what I'm saying? It's a lot of those talkers inside the game. You know, they exist. They keyboard warriors, that's what they call them. You know what I'm saying? They exist. Now, the power of consistency, right? As long as you stay consistent, you stay active, you stay agile, you always be faster, you always be quicker. You know what I'm saying? So what it is that you need to do is focus on your own shit. You know what I'm saying? You don't need to be focused on your friends and what they're doing, because it doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter. Like when you're trading, the only thing that matters is, you know, for me at least, I sit there, I get to the 5-minute chart, you know, I'm looking at the motherfucking NASDAQ or, you know, SPX or some shit like that. And I'm just sitting there waiting like, all right, it's about to break out. Wait for that bitch to go. May even throw a buy stop there if I don't want to sit there and, you know, enjoy the excitement. You know what I'm saying? So boom, buy stop. Next to, you know, market takes off from that early morning burst. And you go ahead and eat and you just keep it moving. First thing I do, watch this shit go up like 20, 30 points. Boom, trailing stop. Fuck it. Consistency. You know what I'm saying? Why do you want to at least have something there so, you know, if it pulls back, you break even? For the simple fact that, man, you never really know what this market is going to do. You could be sure, but then next thing you know, it starts pulling back. What are you going to do to take precaution if this shit pulls back? Nobody ever talks about the precautions. You just want to get paid. Because like in a normal workforce, technically the employee doesn't have to take on the risk. You just fucking show up and get paid. So many people's mindsets are literally drilled into this employee type of mindset where they just want to show up and get paid like an employee. So what this shit requires is you show up, you put in some work, and then you're going to get paid. You know what I'm saying? What I like about Forex most is the simple fact that, you know, it's really like a lazy man's job. Okay, it's really a lazy man's job. Like the more you do, the worse it is for you. The more you do, the worse it is for you. What I mean is this the game where you really got to sit back. It sucks. It's like, damn, you really got to sit back. Me, I'm a very active person. I always like to be actively involved in any type of businesses or anything that I got going on. You know what I'm saying? But for this game, like, it don't require all that. It requires you to just be patient. Like, can you literally be the fisherman? Can you be a consistent fisherman? Fuck it. God said you can come to the ocean every day, get you a fish, get you a few fish, and get on. Can you just come and accept the fact that you can get you a few fish and come home every day? Then greed start kicking in. Now you don't want a few. Now you need a trillion fish. Now you need all these fish. Like, all you had to do is, you know, the power of consistency. Stack a few. What's dope is you could freeze fish. Nobody even talk about that. So that's the power of compounding. Feel me? The power of compounding. You can freeze fish. Freeze your meat. You know what I'm saying? Kill the fish, get you some fish, throw it in the freezer. We can eat it later. You know what I'm saying? So eventually you'll have stock. What I mean by stock is you'll have equity. You know what I'm saying? Use that equity to do whatever you need to do. So we can stay on this fish example, right? And how, that could be used as equity. Money's leverage, right? So, shit, having more equity means you could take bigger positions. You can make more money. You can catch bigger fish. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you may use some fish as bait to go get a bigger fish. That's how fishing works. You know what I'm saying? Shit, you may need a bigger fish to catch a bigger fish. That's just how fishing works. But before you can get there, you got to start small. And that's the power, you know what I'm saying? Of just, knowing that you don't always get to start where you want to start. It's a gradual process. You're going to have to grow there. You know what I'm saying? And I feel like, a lot of people often like, I don't know, y'all, like they be over the part where you got to grow, because that's the hardest part. Like, it's seeing who you are and then being like, damn, I really got to change that part about me. Yeah, you really got to change that part about me. But if you want to become successful, that's what that takes, that change. Nobody really likes to change. Like, at the end of the day, everybody wants to remain the same. And what I mean is, like, you kind of get comfortable, right, being who you are. And sometimes life may or may not challenge you, but if you're not being challenged, you're literally moving in the wrong direction, because growth, it requires challenge. Growth is going to require that. It's going to be a lot of push and pull. You know what I'm saying? So at the end of the day, if you want to stay more consistent in Forex, like, literally get to the ocean, take your fish and go home. Set a bill or something that you need, you know what I'm saying, to take care of, and take care of that bill. That's one thing. Boom. Take care of the next one. Boom. Like, what you're trying to do is create this inertia. You're trying to create this energy. You're trying to create this force, right? Once the universe starts seeing that you are who you say you are, and you're literally using Forex to fund things, like, literally make some bread in Forex today, go get you some gas, right? Next thing you know, you're going to be getting all your damn gas using Forex. And you can be like, damn, man, I remember I used to go to work for this gas money. Now you're literally pressing buttons for that gas money. You know what I'm saying? Now I ain't gonna, sit here and drag these videos out all day and shit. I like dropping videos like these because, like I said, they much smoother. I was over here dropping some new shit. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna drop some new shit soon. Also, so we got the NFT drop coming soon on the 31st. All right, the NFT drop, that shit's gonna be fire as fuck. And then also I'll be having a giveaway as well. So it won't be an NFT giveaway, but it'll be another giveaway. Just, it's the holidays and stuff like that. So you guys definitely want to be tapped into the channel. It's your boy Ty, and I'm out. Peace.